Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for stays on the HomeToGo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the search button down below in the left side corner of the screen, and then tap on the either the search bar at the top or select from these recommendations. So click on the relevant one, and here you can see at the top your destination that you can type in into the search bar. Then you can select the date, tap on the apply button down below, and you can select the number of guests. Tap on apply, and here you will be able to select from the available options. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.